Want to fly without breaking the bank? You're in the right place. Today, we're revealing the top secrets to scoring cheap flights. Stay tuned and discover how you can save big on your next adventure. Be flexible with dates. Travel on weekdays, avoid peak seasons, and use tools like Google Flights to find the cheapest days. Use flight comparison websites. Compare prices on Skyscanner, Google Flights, and Kayak to find the best deals. Set fare alerts. Use apps like Hopper and Airfare Watchdog to get notified when prices drop. Consider nearby airports. Check flights from different airports near your location for potentially lower prices. Book in advance. For domestic flights, book 1 to 3 months ahead. For international, 2 to 8 months. Bonus tip: use incognito mode when searching for flights to avoid price hikes based on demand tracking. Now you know the secrets to scoring cheap flights. Start planning your next trip without worrying about high costs. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more money-saving travel tips. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post new content. Safe travels!